YouTube? It's your girl Adrina. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on a company called Beauty Forever. So if you want to see, stick around and check it out. Today I'm going to be doing something I haven't done in years. It's not that exciting, but it is exciting to me. I am going to be doing an unboxing on a wig. It is from an Amazon company. This is my first time reviewing hair for this company. Well, I'm going to do the unboxing this time and I will do the review a few days later. So it is from an Amazon company called Beauty Forever. Got in my Amazon package. Don't want to show my little address or whatnot, but yeah, here's what the packaging looks like. I haven't unboxed it yet, so I wanted to do it right here on video. I just received it in the mail a few days ago, so I wanted to open it up and show you guys what I got. So here's what the packaging looks like. It says Beauty Forever. It shows where on Amazon you type in Beauty Forever hair and their store will pop up. Hopefully you guys can see because I got my little natural lighting going. And there is the hair inside of a bag and it is labeled 16 inches. It is a 16-inch wig. Let me go ahead and take that out for you guys. Now, the reason why I'm doing unboxing is because some people like to see how it comes packaged and likes to see how it looks when you take it right out. Right off the bat, the hair is so freaking soft. I am loving that body wave. It is a 13 by 6, 16-inch body wave, 150% density, and I am loving the softness. Like, I can run my finger straight through this hair. You can see it is pre-plucked. It does have the baby hairs. I'm excited about this one. I will be posting this one on Instagram, so if you want to see it, then make sure you follow me, TattedDree619. There are 4 combs on the inside. As you can see, one in the back, one here, one on this side, as well as one on this side. It has the adjustable strap, which you can tighten right here or you can loosen it up. I'm always getting headaches, so I really don't like to use mine. But yes, there is a lot of parting space on this wig. As you guys can see, you will have to cut the lace on the bottom as well as the top. That I am loving this. I haven't had a body wave wig in a few months, or if I have, I haven't really worn it. So I'm excited to try this. It is 16 inches. As you guys can see, I'm loving the bounce so far. In the package, there is a pack of wig caps. There's 2 packs. There's black. So that comes in handy, as well as a free pair of eyelashes. Now let me tell you guys about these eyelashes. Okay, I've been wearing eyelash extensions for about 2 months now, but when I get these in here, I wear these. Like, if I do buy other eyelashes, but if you look on my Instagram, a lot of the videos I am wearing these eyelashes, so do not knock the free eyelashes that come with the wig. And there is a card on the inside. This is a nice card, and I get tons of wigs. This is a nice card. It's showing you the different textures they have, the different wigs, the different weaves. They have, let me show you guys. See if you guys can see that. But yes, this is from Beauty Forever. Like I said, she is a 16-inch, 13 by 6, 16-inch body wave, 150% density, and I am so loving this wig. Let me know what you guys think down below, and let me know if I should part it on the right, the left, the middle, or if I should just leave it with no part. I'm gonna go upstairs and apply this wig, and I will bring you guys the video in a few days. I'm very excited about this. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at the hairline, showing you guys that it is already slightly pre-plucked and that it does have the baby hairs. Give you guys another look inside. There's like tons of parting space on this unit. It does seem like it might be big head friendly. It does have a little stretch to it. Here's the back. When you guys always hear me say adjustable strap, I always say it has the 2 standard or the 3 standard combs as well as the adjustable strap. This is the adjustable strap. You can take it off of this hook and you can move it over to make it tighter. It's on both sides. Cut the little lace in the back. You see the comb, so that way if you want to wear it glueless and you don't want to glue it down, it does have combs. But yeah, make sure you check out Beauty Forever. Run my finger straight through it. Just wanted to show you guys a quick unboxing of this wig. I'll post the link to their social media down below. If you're not following them on Instagram, make sure you check them out. If you're a new subby, thank you. Thanks for subscribing. If you're old subby, welcome back. You know how we do over here. If you're not following me on Instagram, tattedree619. Hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing, and if you guys like more videos like this, let me know. Thumbs up, all that jazz, and hope you guys enjoy my video, and until next time.